Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'm going to discuss about the big pictures about the user experience. So here, the big picture refers to understanding the entire user journey, entire user journey and experience. It encompassing of all interactions with the product or service, from initial awareness to long-term satisfactions, rather than focusing rather than focusing on isolated features or screens. So what is meant by breakdown? So holistic approach, instead of designing individual screens or features in isolations, the UX designers consider the entire user journey from the initial contact to achieving their goals and beyond. The user, centricity. The focus is on understanding the user's needs, motivations, pain points through the interactions with the product or services. Empathy and research. So the big pictures thinking requires the extensive user research and empathy and understanding of the user's context and goals. So the long-term vision is that it involves thinking about how the product or service will evolve over the time, and it will continue to meet your user needs. Example, with the e-commerce, instead of focusing solely on product pages without big pictures approach, would consider the entire shopping journey from browsing categories to checkout and payment, shipping, and post-purchase experience. An example, an e-commerce retail site might offer the personalized recommendations on past purchase, track order status, and provide easy return or exchanges to improve the overall user experience. Next one is mobile app. So instead of designing individual screens of features, the big pictures approaches would consider how the feature fits into the overall app experience and how it helps user achieve their goals. So the example, the food delivery app might offers a seamless experiences from the searching for the restaurants to placing an order, tracking a delivery, and providing the options for tripping and free feedback. So next one is website. So instead of focusing solely on the entire designs, big pictures approach would be considered the entire website structures, navigations, and users flow. Website might uses clear navigations, a consistent uh, design language, and easy to find contact information to ensure the positive user experiences. So healthcare app, instead of designing a features that only the addresses one aspects of healthcare, the big pictures approaches would consider the needs of patients, caregivers, and doctors, as well as accessibility and language and cultural diversity. Example, the healthcare app might offer features for scheduling appointments, accessing medical records, communicating with managing meditations, while also ensuring accessibility for users with diabetes. Okay. So here it is a persona. UX personas includes the persona includes persona's names and an image, the demographic information such as your person's age, the gender and family, and living station situations, employment status, and anything else that's relevant to a product or problem space, their needs and goals in their relations to product. Example, name Shara Miller from 32, occupation marketing managers, locations urban C, schedule BWA. The Sara is a marketing manager. So here the types of personas, user personas, buyer personas, primary and secondary personas, product personas, qualitative personas, and statistical personas. Uh, User persona is nothing but represents the primary users of the product or service. Negative persona is nothing but it is not a part for the target audience. By identifying the negative persona helps in refining the target audience and avoiding the design decisions that might be catered to the wrong audience. The primary and secondary personas are the main focus for the design process, representing the core user group. The secondary personas represents additional user segments that may interact with the product that purpose. The proto-personas is based on assumptions and existing knowledge about the users, often at the early stage of the project when detailed user research data may not be available. So buyer personas, it is nothing but involving understanding motivations, needs and concerns of those who influence or making purchasing decisions related to the product or services. So qualitative personas can be useful for large-scale digital products or services with extensive user bases. Statistical persona is nothing but it is a user group based on the statistical data and analysis. So that's all about this personas.